Hey everyone, my name is Komal. Welcome to Rise PTE. Do you want to know how can you quickly improve your PTE writing score in just 1 week? If yes, then this video is for you. Today we are going to tackle the PTE writing section and highlight the 5 most common mistakes that test takers make. Avoiding these pitfalls can significantly boost your score. We will also provide tips and tricks to help you improve. Do remember to check the video description for very helpful resources for your PT exam. Now let's dive right in. One common mistake is not adhering to the word count for the summarized written text task. Your summary should be between 5 to 75 words. Going over or under this limit can cost you points. Now let's look at the examples. I'll give you example number 1. Let's say if the passage is about climate change and your summary is climate change is affecting the planet in various ways. Make sure it's concise yet informative, staying within the word limit. Now let's look at the next example. Avoid overly long summaries like climate change, which refers to long-term changes in temperature and weather patterns, is significantly impacting various ecosystems, causing severe droughts, melting polar ice caps, and increasing the frequency of extreme weather events, thereby affecting both human and animal life. This is too lengthy and goes beyond the word limit. Practice writing concise summaries by focusing on the main idea and key points. Use a word counter tool to ensure your summary is within the required range. All right? Another common mistake is poor essay structure. A well-structured essay should have an introduction, body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Each paragraph should have a clear main idea and supporting details. We'll look at the examples. Number 1. An essay on the importance of education should start with an introduction that presents the topic, followed by body paragraphs that discuss the benefits of education and end with a conclusion that summarizes the main points. Another example is, avoid write an essay that jumps from one idea to another without clear transitions. For instance, starting with the benefits of education, then suddenly discussing its disadvantages without a logical flow. Use an outline before you start writing. This helps organize your thoughts and ensures your essay has a clear structure. Start each paragraph with a topic sentence, followed by supporting details and examples. Let's look at the mistake number 3. So grammatical errors can significantly lower your writing score. Common mistakes include subject-verb agreement, incorrect verb tenses, and punctuation errors. I'll give you 2 examples. So first we will look at the incorrect sentence. He go to the store every day. Correct sentence is, he goes to the store every day. Ensure subject-verb agreement is accurate. All right, let's look at example number 2. Again, we'll start with an incorrect sentence. She have been working here for 5 years. What will be the correct sentence? She has been working here for 5 years. Use the correct verb tense to match the subject and time frame. Let's look at the mistake number 4. Lack of coherence and cohesion can make your writing difficult to follow. Your ideas should flow logically and sentences should be connected with appropriate linking words. Let's look at examples. So in an essay about renewable energy, use linking words like firstly, moreover, in addition, and finally to connect your points and guide the reader through your argument. Another example, avoid disjointed sentences like renewable energy is important. It is clean and sustainable. Wind and solar power are examples. Instead, write renewable energy such as wind and solar power is important because it is clean and sustainable. Use linking words and phrases to connect your ideas and ensure your writing flows smoothly. Practice writing paragraphs with a clear structure and logical progression. Let's look at the final mistake, Mistake number 5. The final common mistake is not proofreading your work. Failing to review your writing can result in overlooked errors and typos that can lower your score. I'll give you 2 examples. Example number 1. If you write, this essay discusses the impact of climate change. Without proofreading, you might miss the typo, this instead of this. Example number 2. Failing to notice missing words can lead to sentences like, the government implemented policies to reduce pollution, which should be, the government has implemented policies to reduce pollution. Always take a few minutes to proofread your work before submitting it. Look for spelling, grammar, and punctuation errors. Reading your writing aloud can help you catch mistakes you might miss when reading silently. So that's it for our video on the 5 common mistakes in the PTE writing section and how to avoid them. By following these tips and practicing regularly, you can improve your writing skills and boost your PTE score. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more PTE tips and tricks. Good luck with the exam. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.